exercise 1.1 second sums. Solve the following simultaneous equation. Second question, first sums. Second question, first sums. 3a plus 5b is equal to 26. A plus 5b is equal to 22. First you have to name this equation. 3a plus 5b is equal to 22. Equation number 1. Second, this one. A plus 5b is equal to 22. Equation number 2. Now see here. Means you have to see in the A and you have to see in B. In A it is 3a and it is A. And in second here it is 5b and here 5b. Both the signs are plus. Both the signs are plus. If both are plus, you have to subtract. You have to write subtract. Subtract equation subtract equation 1 by equation 2. Now you have to write here minus. Whatever sign, if it is plus, you have to write here minus. If it is plus, you have to write here minus. If it is minus, you have to write here plus. Here again, I am telling here it is no sign. That means it is plus. Plus means you have to write here minus. And here plus is there, you have to write here minus. Here it is plus is there, you have to write here minus. Now, there is no value of this sign now. Here. Plus 3 minus a means plus 3 minus a means there is no number means 1. 3 minus 1, 2. It is coming 2a. Plus here. This is plus 5b and this is minus 5b. Plus and minus cancel. Now 26 is plus and 22 is minus. 26 minus 22. 4. Bigger number sign is plus because 26 is bigger and 22 sign is minus. Therefore, a is equal to 4 upon 2. 2 will come here. See here. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. Therefore, a is equal to 2. Now you have to substitute the value of a. Substitute the value of a in equation. You can take any one equation. You are taking second equation. A plus 5b is equal to 22. A means it's coming. See here. A is equal to 2. Instead of a, we are writing here 2 plus 5b is equal to 22. 5b is equal to 22. Bring here to here, it will become minus. Plus 2 will become minus. Left hand side and right hand side. 5b is equal to 20 minus 2, 20. Therefore, b is equal to 20 upon 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 4s are. Therefore, b is equal to 4. You have to find a and you have to find b. Exercise 1.1 second sum. Solve the following simultaneous equation. Second sum, second question. X plus 7y is equal to 10. 3x minus 2y is equal to 7. X plus 7y is equal to 10. Equation number 1. 3x minus 2y is equal to 7. Equation number 2. Now, one plus is there, one minus is here. Plus and minus. You make this equal. Multiply this by 2. First equation and second by 7. Why? We have to making this same. That's why we are multiplying this equation. First equation by 2 and the second equation by 7. 2 into x, 2x. 2 7s are 14y. See here, sign is plus, you have to put it plus. Is equal to 2 10s are 20. equation number 3. 3 7s are 21. 7 2s are 14y. Sign is minus. Have to put here minus. Is equal to 7 7s are 49. Equation number 4. Here plus and minus is there. So you have to directly add. Why? Because plus and minus is coming. So you have to make it addition. Add equation 3 by 4. Add equation 3 by 4. In addition, you have to not change the sign. In addition, you have to not change the sign as it is. Plus 14 minus 14. 23x here. Both are plus. 2 plus 21, 23. 20 plus 49. Both are plus sign. It will be 69. Therefore, x is equal to 69 upon 23. 23 was a 23, 23 3s are. Therefore, x is equal to 3. X is equal to 3. Here, x is coming 3. Okay. Now you have to substitute the value. Substitute the value of x in equation. You can take any equation. We are taking first equation. X plus 7y is equal to 10. Equation number 1. X is equal to 3. X is here 3. 7 multiplied by y. You don't know y. So you apply y as it is equal to 10. 7y is equal to 10 minus 3. See here, 3 from left to right. The plus sign will be minus. It will change the sign. 7y is equal to 10 minus 3. 10 minus 3, 7. Therefore, y is equal to 7 upon 7, cancel 1. Therefore, y is equal to 1. Now you have to write here solution set. SS. SS means solution set. First you have to write x and then y. Whatever you find, first you have to write x and then y. 3 and 1. First x is coming and then y. Therefore, answer is here 3 and 1. Exercise 1.1, second question, third sums. Second question, third sums. 2x minus 3y is equal to 9. 2x plus y is equal to 13. 2x minus 3y is equal to 9. Equation number 1. 2x plus y is equal to 13. Equation number 2. Now see here. First one in x. 2x and 2x both are same, but both are in addition sign. There is no sign means plus. This and this is are in plus sign. So we have to here write a subtract. Subtract equation 1 by equation 2. Now you have to change the sign. In subtraction you have to change the sign, but in addition there is no need to change the sign. Here plus sign is there, you have to put here minus. Here plus is there, you have to put here minus. Here plus sign is there, you have to put here minus. Now value of this sign plus is no more. Plus 2, see here, plus 2 minus 2. Plus 2 minus 2, cancel. Here minus 3 minus y. See here, minus 3 minus 1. Add minus minus, add, but sign will be minus. 3, there is no number, means 1. 4 plus 3 plus 1, 4. 4y. See here again, minus 3 minus y. There is no number, means 1. 1 plus 3, 1 plus 3, 4. And the sign will be minus. Equal to, see here, plus 9 minus 13. Plus 9 minus 13. Why? There is no sign here, it's plus. So the value of plus sign is no more because minus sign is here. Minus 13 and plus 9. Minus 4. Why minus 4? Because 13 minus 9, 4. And bigger number is here 13. 13 minus sign. 13 minus sign is here. So minus minus cancel. Therefore y is equal to 4 upon 4. Cancel 1. Therefore y is equal to 1. Now substitute the value of y. Substitute the value of y in equation 1 or 2, whatever you want, you can take it, which is easy for you. 2x minus 3y is equal to 9. Equation number 1. 2x, we don't know the x. Y, we know the 1. Y is came here 1. 2x minus 3 ones are 3 is equal to 9. 2x is equal to 9. Bring this minus 3 here. From left to right, it will be plus 3. 2x is equal to 9 plus 3, 12. Therefore, x is equal to 12 upon 2, 6. Therefore, x is equal to 6. You got y and you got x is equal to 6. Now you have to write your solution set. In solution set, whenever y or x, whatever is coming first you have to write x only. Yes, here first we form y is equal to 1 and then x is equal to 6. But solution set will be first 6. Why? Because the value of x is coming first and then y, means x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 1. See here, like this, x and y. Remember this, x will come first and then y.